Hi, my name is Jennifer Rogers, and today I'm going to be conducting experiments by Piaget for the formal operational stage. So, can you tell the camera your name?
I'm Sandy.
And how old are you?
I'm 13.
Okay. So, I'm just going to ask you a question, and I just want you to answer it to the best of your ability, okay? Okay, if you were given a third eye, where would you put it and why?
The back of my head.
Why?
So I could see people like sneaking up on me and what they're doing behind.
Okay. So now I'm going to do another one. Okay, here's these cards. They say EK47, right? Okay, I'm going to tell you a statement. Okay? When there's a vowel on one side of the card, then it will be an even number on the other side of the card. Now I want you to tell me which two cards that you need to flip over in order to prove that the statement is true.
Would there be a vowel on the back of an even card?
So a vowel, no, it'd be a vowel. You have a vowel on one side, on the side you can see. And then if you flip it over, you receive an even number. Okay? And so you just have to prove that the statement is true.
And the E, because it's a vowel.
Right?
And it's a 2.
And then what would be the other card that you would have to look to make sure that that statement was true? A vowel on one side will have an even number on the other side.
The 4?
Okay. Okay, so we're going to do the pendulum experiments. So you're going to have 3 different strings, and they're all going to be different lengths. Okay? You have 3 different washers, and they're all different weights. Okay? And your job is to tell me what variables affect the swing, about how fast or how slow it goes, the rate of the swing. Okay? And you need to figure out what combination of those variables is going to give you the fastest swing. Okay? So you need to devise an experiment to figure that out, which variables affect the rate of the swing. You start doing that. So how would you do it?
I tie the washers onto each string.
Okay, go ahead and do it.
Test each one.
And how will you measure the speed of the swing?
Count the amount of swings in a minute.
Okay. Here's the stopwatch for you. You need it? Do you need a piece of paper and pen too?
Sure.
Okay. So what variables did you use for this experiment?
The string size, the washer size, and the washer size.
Okay. So the length of the string and the weight of the washer?
Mhm.
Correct? Okay. So what's one more variable do you think that you can manipulate in order to see what affects the rate of the swing?
The amount of time.
What do you think would happen if you dropped a swing from a higher or lower place? So instead of right here,
Like I dropped it from up there.
so the height of the drop, do you think that could affect the swing?
Yeah, because it has more of a place to travel.
Okay. And how would you, if you were to test that, I'm not going to make you test it out, but if you were to test that, how would you go about testing to see if how height affects the weight of or the rate of the swing? Sorry.
I test all the combinations I could have had at the relatively same height and see if it